Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Hi. My name is Clarissa. What's your name?
Nice to meet you. My name is Jafar, and I'm from
Jaffa. Sorry, where are you from?
Morocco.
Morocco. Okay, awesome. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
from the United States. I'm from Chicago, but I
Nice.
live in Mexico.
Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a
And
nice
how
area.
long have you been in Mexico?
I've been in Mexico 15 years now. Yeah.
15.
Yes. A
Oh.
long time. I'm Mexican American. My dad's Mexican, my mom's American, so I've always been between two places because
Mm-hmm.
my mom, since she's American, I have aunts that are American, so they live in the U.S. So I go back and forth to the United States and to Mexico.
Yeah,
So
that's
yeah,
nice. It's
yeah,
interesting to have like two cultures.
it is. It's actually fun because it's not just two cultures, but it's two languages.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And is there any difference between your father family and your mother family? Like Mexican family and the American
definitely,
family?
of course. I mean, just the way we are in Mexico is so much more different than the United States. There's
Maybe
so
more
much more.
closer? Mexican
Um,
families?
no,
No?
they're actually both close to me. But I mean, definitely more, partying with the Mexicans, more dancing and all that. And then on the American side, it's not so much. So big difference. And just food wise, I mean, it's a
Mm-hmm.
huge difference. I mean, in
Yeah.
the US, it's all about hamburgers and breakfast and
Mexico is all about
brunches, and
tacos and
it's all
burritos.
about tacos, burritos, enchiladas, chilaquiles, chile rellenos. I could go on and on. Then I'll start drooling, so I'm gonna stop now.
Yeah.
um,
Yeah, I just ate, so no problem for me.
but yeah, I
Yeah,
really
it's
enjoy it
really
here.
cool.
Yeah, I love Mexico.
Yeah.
Mexico's my home. If I had a choice to live in Mexico
Yeah,
or
I
the
have.
U.S., I
Mhm.
would stay in Mexico.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
If you have to choose, you'll choose Mexico.
Huh? Say it again.
Why not US? I said,
Expensive,
if you
and there's
you
not as
have,
much culture
yeah,
there.
yeah, I see.
Yeah, I
And what?
mean,
Yeah, maybe the cost of living is too low. And is the
yeah,
economic situation in Mexico stable? Is it
yeah.
that good? Is
It's
it
not
good
the
enough?
best. Like, yeah, like a lot of
Mm-hmm.
people. Like, if you're a Mexican and you don't have like a good education and you don't have like a great job, maybe not.
Mm-hmm.
Like, because here in Mexico, there's not a lot of high paying jobs. I think the only high paying jobs where I live, this is where I live, not in all places in Mexico,
Mm-hmm.
but where I live here, it's good if you are
Mm-hmm.
a waiter. If you're a waiter, you make,
Waiter.
yep, you make more
Mm-hmm.
money than most Mexicans. If you're a doctor here in Mexico, it's good pay.
Mm-hmm.
If you are an owner of your own store, then it's good. But most people here, they have to work a lot, and they
Mm-hmm.
usually don't get paid as much. They
Yeah, I
usually
see.
get paid not enough. I don't know how to explain it, but they don't get paid enough. And most people are mechanics, or they're gardeners, or
And maybe
most
for those who has like their own businesses, yes.
yeah,
Maybe for
exactly.
them they
Or
own,
like
they earn enough.
for me as how I live, since I work on Cambly,
Mm-hmm.
if you can make dollars while you live in Mexico, you'll be perfectly
Yeah,
fine. So on
it's much
Cambly,
better.
I get paid in dollars. So for me, I get paid more than an average Mexican does. I get high paid.
Yeah. And how much like a dollar costs in
So a
Mexican
dollar for
currency?
us
Is
is
it peso or
22
something?
pesos. Yeah. So for
Peso.
us, a dollar is 22 pesos.
Mm-hmm.
So 22 coins, you can say. So a dollar is 22 coins for us. So like with
And
Cambly,
yeah, and how much an average Mexican make a day?
a day, oof, barely anything. Like usually most jobs pay
I
maybe
don't.
max like a somewhat good job,
Yeah.
1,400, let's just say. So that's 1,400 coins in a week. So let's divide that. Let's just say they work 7 days. So they get 200 a day, but that's if it's a good job. If it's not a good job, usually Mexicans get paid around
Yeah, I see. Now
1,000.
I'm looking. It's for us. We have the Moroccan dirham, and let me see. 1 dirham is 6.15 peso.
So it's 6 pesos.
No, it's not. No, I made a mistake. There's a lot of dirham because there is, I don't know the country. UAE. I don't know. I forgot.
USA.
No, not the USA. Emiratis dirham or something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, can you excuse me just 1 second? This will be quick. My boss is calling me. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, no problem, yeah.
Okay, sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, no problem. Sorry, I still have another...
Is he a good boss?
She's a good boss. Yeah, she is a good boss.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she's a great boss. And it's not really a big job I have. It's actually a hobby job, I guess you can call it. I'm not just an English teacher, but 2 days of the week, I am a barista. Do you know what a barista is?
A barista?
Uh-huh.
No, absolutely not.
A person that makes beverages. So, for example, I make coffees. I make
what?
Beverages, drinks. So, for example, like lemonade, like frappuccinos, coffee, cappuccinos, lattes.
Oh, nice.
Mm-hmm.
And do you work in a restaurant or a big coffee?
I do. It's a restaurant. Yeah, it's a restaurant, and I make like these beverages. Like.
I see.
Yeah. So that's my other job. Yeah, I don't do it so often.
And do you like it?
So. Yeah, I love it. I always love making new designs on coffee. So.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah. So yeah, I really enjoy it, and it's like I said, it's more of a hobby now.
Yeah.
Because I used to only work on Cambly, but then I got bored of Cambly, and I was like, can I work?
Yeah, maybe
2 days,
you need more interaction with people.
Yeah.
Because if you work in a restaurant, you'll see a lot of people around you going and coming back.
Yeah.
And it's really nice. You kind of feel that people are like around you. You don't feel that boredom.
Yeah. I think it's not so much for I love all my customers, I will say that, but I think it's more just because I like making drinks. I like doing the work. I don't know. I really enjoy it. So yeah, that's my other job.
That's
cool. What about you? What do you do?
I work as a mechanical designer.
Okay.
I work in a studies office.
Okay, that's great.
And it's been like 3 years that I'm doing that job.
Okay, so you must really enjoy it then. Do you like it?
Yeah, most of the time. Sometimes I just hate it. Sometimes I just feel, it's a cool job.
I think it's that's any job. Some jobs are like you love them, but there's times you just hate it. Work is work.
Yeah, work is work. Yeah.
Yeah, because I mean, honestly, there's people that
easy, you're gonna hate it.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, work is work, but I mean, honestly, I think it's people that make work difficult sometimes. Because if you could work for yourself, it's easy. Yeah. But it's like people. Sometimes if you don't have a good boss or if you don't have a good employees, workmates, it's terrible.
Yeah, I know. My workmates are all my friends because we studied together and we started working together, and now we're still together.
Okay, well
there are like other workers from because each year the company like brings people from a school, and each year they adds up some other workers. Then it's easy for them. It's easy for us like to be friends with them and laugh, and it's really nice. It's not boring at all when it comes to like people. Yeah. Most of them are very good people.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's important because I mean, for a long time, I did work with people that Oh, I can tell you, I would get so angry. I cried. I was like so annoyed. I was so mad. I
God.
was so
Nah.
mad all the time. Like it
You're
was
talking,
bad.
yeah. You're talking like you have 50 years old. You're still young. You're gonna see a
I'm still,
lot.
how old do I look?
I don't know. Let me guess. Okay. 25? More? Less?
Less.
23? 24. Oh my god, 22. 15. Okay, I'm just losing. This is a horrible.
Guess one more time. See if you get
Okay, 21.
it. No. 19.
20.
19.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm sorry I said 25. That's not cool at all.
I'm old. It's okay. It's okay.
No.
I look old. No, I'm kidding. No,
No.
but I have been working for a long time. I started working when I was 15.
Yeah, I see. That's good.
So yeah,
It's like
long
you
time.
you jumped into the real life so quickly.
Yeah.
And at an
Yeah.
early age, now you have like a lot more experience than someone who is 25 and never, applied for a job
That's
or
true.
worked. And it's really cool for me. Yes, it's really nice.
Yeah. And how old are you?
Yeah, guess. Yeah, I look
22.
old. So
You don't look old. You look young. I honestly, I
Yeah.
can tell you. I think you're 24 or 23.
yeah, 23.
Haha.
Yeah,
You're
good
not
job.
that old.
Yeah,
I'm just good at guessing.
yeah.
Don't
You're a
mind me.
good. You're a good guesser.
There you go. Yeah. And so, why did you start learning English, if I may ask?
Well, I don't know, just to be able to communicate with people, just as we do right now, as we are doing right now.
Okay. Well, that's great.
Because in my work, I need French more than English,
French. Wow.
but I don't like French as
What do you like?
as much as I like English. I don't know.
Okay. That's interesting. I've never heard anybody say I don't like French. Most people are like, oh, French, the language of love,
Romance. Yeah.
romance. They
I
say
don't know.
the same
I
thing
think
with
it's.
Spanish.
I think it's the language of lazy people, because whenever you hear someone speaking French, you feel like they are talking in a they make you feel sleepy, because their way of talking is too not slow, but not, I don't know.
It's
not
very
harsh.
slurish. They call it slurish. Like, it's very. So
Yeah.
like that's what you hear.
Bah oui, bonjour.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Time went by super fast. So sorry for that.
Yeah. It's.
But yeah, I think the actual language of romance might be Spanish. Might be.
Yeah,
I speak
Spanish.
Spanish, but
Yeah, it's
es
really
que
cool.
te puedo decir que es un lenguaje muy romántico. No, I'm kidding.
Oh my god. Yeah.
You're like, yeah, that sounds great.
Yeah,
Keep going.
I need to translate that later. I have a friend on Instagram. She is from Mexico. I met her on Tinder, and we are chatting, like that. And it's really cool. She's really nice.
Okay,
We are at the
that's
same age.
awesome.
She's 23. No, maybe she's older than me.
Older.
Like, yeah, 24.
Well, that's awesome.
I don't remember, but it's really cool. Yeah, Mexicans are really friendly. So
yeah, we
I
are.
have to
So
go back.
7 seconds, yeah. But if you'd like to speak again, just send me a message. I don't have my
Yeah.
schedule up, but I do work almost every day. So just send me a message.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, bye.